Beautiful 3-bedroom 2.5 bath home with upstairs loft in the preserves. Home features an open floor plan, 9 feet ceilings, white millwork, gas fireplace, 2-car garage west side service door, fully landscaped front and fully fenced backyard, large back covered patio west/gas line and air conditioner pre-wire. Upstairs you'll find a large master en-suite with walk-in closet, open loft area, generous-sized bedrooms, and laundry room complete with cabinetry. Hardwood floors on main, and new carpeting ordered for the upper level.